How to send invisible message on iMessage. So go ahead to the iMessage app. Open the chat where you want to send the invisible message. Once you're in the conversation, type in the message that you want to send. After this, hold and long press the arrow up icon here on the corner part. This will open the effects that you can use for your messages. And here is the invisible ink. Click on that and your message will be sent invisible. If you want to try other effects, again, type in a message, hold the arrow here. You have the gentle, loud, and slam option. And if you change from bubble to screen, you now have different effects to send as message. So that is how to send invisible message on iMessage. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.